Very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine. So, children, today we will continue with the rest of this story of lesson 4 of English literature, that is, The Four Friends. Alright? But before that, let's quickly recapitulate whatever we discussed in the previous session. Fine? So, you know that there were 5 characters in the story. That is Mika the mouse, Coco the crow, Toto the tortoise, Daisy the deer, and a hunter. Fine? So, they were 5 jungle friends and they decided to play hide and seek. So, everybody decided that Toto will look for us and we will hide. Firstly, he found Mika hidden in the hole. Then Toto found Coco, that is crow, by seeing his feathers on the tree. Fine. Then Daisy was left. No one was able to find Daisy. Then Coco decided he will go and look for Daisy in the jungle. Then he saw that a hunter has caught Daisy in a net. So, to help Daisy, Mika worked hard and bite the net with his sharp teeth. So, when Hunter arrived, he got really confused on seeing that how the deer escaped from the net. Alright? Now, children, we are done with our first part of this story. Now we will discuss the second part of this story. So, open page number 41. Opened. So, the hunter runs around to find Daisy. He sees Toto, that means tortoise. So, what did Hunter said? If I can't have a deer, I will take home a tortoise. Then Toto said, Mika, Daisy, Coco, help me. Then the hunter puts Toto in a bag and carries him away. Mika, Daisy and Coco come out of hiding. Fine? So Mika, Daisy, Coco are the 3 friends of Toto. So he is calling them for the help. Alright? Then Daisy says, oh, poor Toto. Mika says, we must save him. Then Coco says, Daisy, run ahead of the hunter. When he sees you, he will drop the sack and chase you. So you know that actually Hunter wanted to catch the deer, that is Daisy. So when he will see Daisy again, he will drop his bag down in which Toto is there and will again start chasing Daisy. Alright? Then Mika says, then I can bite the sack and save Toto. Then Daisy says, Coco, you watch the hunter. Mika, Daisy and Coco set out to save Toto. Then Hunter says, it's the deer. I will not let you run away this time. Fine. Now come to the next page. Then what does Coco says? Mika, the hunter has dropped the bag. Then Mika says, don't worry, I will save Toto. Mika is the mouse. So Mika cuts through the hunter's bag. Then Coco says, hurry up Mika. Then Toto says, hooray, I am out of the bag. I was so scared. Then Coco says, Mika, Toto, go and hide. The hunter is coming back. So Mika hides in a hole. Toto hides behind a bush. The hunter comes running. So Where did they hid? Mika hid in a hole and Toto hid behind a bush. All right. So what did hunter said? Where is the tortoise? The hunter looks for Toto. Fine. So he is not able to find tortoise now. So he is looking for the Toto here and there. Come to the next page. Then hunter says, I caught a deer and it got free. I caught a tortoise and that got away too. I had better go home. The four friends watch the hunter go away. They play with their friends. They play with their other friends happily. So children, now we will read these dialogues. We are the four jungle friends. We play together. We help each other. It is fun to have friends. So, children, I hope you understood the story and enjoyed it. Thank you, children. Take care. God bless you.